Tango tukaweka iya ntongere serikali itatoreka yote rusia sukuru kurunga junior school as primary eyebeke kando yende chumna ntwa balimu twaligire mutwaki muna bakuru usugororo abayiboli gocha kabwe school fees muni bete gocha kamuro sabgento keke school fees ngono muta toto chaka kwa kanile school fees grade 6 kake Digo, asogwa chokula. Presto kikire serikali na kateria mayenga ntoligo chakira gwakale school fees as grade 6. Abana bali batikale se primary sibale paka grade ya kyanda bamaniko yende secondary. Tobabu na butuwa kale school fees yaro. Ndokate bali bayo. Bale ngaba njelele njenga abana bali batikale
ba maana sana somo mabwane. Mwalimu onde bwensi ora sege ikareke. Nche George Morara Igo nganche tenade ngwa acknowledge abari mu mono sana. For the English I speak is because of you. Thank you so much, teachers. Wherever you are, know that you are acknowledged. We advocates, the only other profession or other people that we really acknowledge and respect, it is the teachers that gave us the foundation to be in this profession. Thank you so much, teachers. His Excellency Fred Matiang'i no mano ito. Ekero omosike Fred Matiang'i atemete kuminyo kiune serikali yejerobo naiga gavana konyorikire suswa agonchore gari akaira na Nairobi chi emetanda njorogeti chibiche chaye karo aba advocate baye batatu kurubusongo erenche oyondo kurukuzel mabonuke no yondo kurukwa Hirari Tom Ongori umano inokuruga agaturangere tutire ukinaro so obo tukobo no okikwaye no twarenge ne team yabo dance tanomari asoko egerera omosike Fred Matiang'i asitayo governor tenenire na otebona governor ngopingare Fred Matiang'i